welcome back to my channel Sonika Styles, and today I'm going to share how to apply mehendi by yourself. Yes, ये मैंने वीडियो पहले भी अपलोड किया था, but one of my subscribers, she's so sweet and she asked me to upload it once again, how to apply it by yourself. So I made a video on how to apply by yourself in detail, so it might be little more longer, तो प्लीज़ अगर आपको देखना है थोड़ा फॉरवर्ड करके भी देख सकते हैं उसे, and you will find that how you can apply it very intact and how can you apply the henna complete on your head. So ये वीडियो उसके बारे में है, so please do watch till end and enjoy. If you really liked it, do subscribe to my channel, give thumbs up, and do share with your friends so that they can also apply by themselves. And one more thing, if you haven't watched that earlier video where I have shown to prepare henna, so you can watch in this I button. I have already uploaded it long back, so you can go and watch that. So now you can just see how to apply it. करें जिससे आपके बाल वार्म रहे और वो कलर बहुत अच्छे से निखर के आता है। सो होप दिस हेल्प यू।